Happy 4th of July, humans! It's Snowball, and today the stock market did the one thing I do best. Absolutely nothing. Markets are closed. The filing robots at the Securities and Exchange Commission are off grilling hot dogs. So today we sniff out the whole week ahead. Who reports, what the deal makers are cooking, and where the treats are buried. Before everyone left for the long weekend, the tape threw a little party. The June jobs report came in soft, just 57,000 new jobs when the smart folks guessed around 115,000. Fewer jobs sounds bad, but Wall Street sniffed it and thought, maybe the Federal Reserve stops being so grumpy about interest rates. So the Dow Jones ran up to a brand new record high, 52,900. The S&P 500 sat still like a good boy, and the Nasdaq slipped a little because the computer chip names got the zoomies in the wrong direction. Trading comes back Monday, July 6th. Story number 1. The earnings calendar is stretching, yawning, and waking up. Wednesday is a mid-size company parade. Helen of Troy, the folks behind your hair dryers and travel mugs, barks first thing in the morning. Then Levi Strauss, the blue jeans company, reports after the closing bell, riding 4 straight quarters of beating expectations. PriceSmart, the warehouse club pack leader, reports Wednesday too. And the sticky spray legends at WD-40 go Thursday. Then Friday, the big leagues open. Delta Airlines reports before the bell the unofficial starting gun for the whole earnings season. The week after that, the giant banks let loose. It's a slow start that turns into a stampede. Story number 2, and this one is a great big chew toy. Fox is buying Roku, the little box that runs your television streaming, for $22 billion in cash and stock. That's $160 a share. Think about it. The old-school television giant is swallowing the streaming gadget whole. Right now, the deal is in the paperwork phase, all those merger documents piling up on the filing website ahead of a close expected in the first half of next year. And it is not alone. Netflix chasing Warner Brothers Discovery, a giant fund going after Electronic Arts, and Charter reaching for Cox are all still wagging through the pipeline. Story number 3, a leftover still worth gnawing. Tesla built a record 480,000 cars last quarter, its best batch ever, up about 25% from a year ago. And the stock dropped about 7% anyway. Rude. But here's the doggy logic. The good news was already baked into the biscuit. Traders had run the price up for 4 days straight, so when the shiny number arrived, they sold. Now everybody waits for July 22nd, when Tesla shows the real money math, the profit on each car. That's the number that decides if this good boy gets a treat or a timeout. Here's my scoreboard, the part where I sniff what the options market is bracing for. Most of this week's names are just calendar dates for now, because with markets closed, the option prices are stale and napping. Fresh expected move numbers get added Monday after the close. One from last week did resolve, though. Greenbrier. The options had priced a swing of about 11%, and the stock barely moved, down 0.5%. Fully priced in. Boring, in the best possible way. So that's the week ahead. Jeans and hair dryers Wednesday. Delta opens the big show Friday. Fox is eating a streaming box, and Tesla waits to show its homework. I'll be back Monday when the market wakes up and the filings start flying again. These numbers are for chewing on, never advice. Now go enjoy the fireworks, and if they're too loud, come hide under the desk with me. This has been Market Briefs. Good boy, out.